With simple tools and a stone, you could make a very beautiful pendant, and that is the miracle of wire jewelry. What you need: a piece of stone. I'm using the cat eye, 0.8 mm thick wire, and main tools: round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and wire cutter, and that's all we need. Cut about 20 centimeters of your 0.8 mm thick wire and make two ends close to each other. The length is appropriate for my stone. You could change it a bit. And then make a tie at the middle of this wire. Then put it on your stone and at the width of the stone make two bends with your round nose pliers, or you could just put it on your stone and then make two bends. Okay, then insert your stone into that frame and start to make bends on both tails at the right and left, just above the first row that you had made, one by one. And then this is the place that we are going to insert these two tails into the loop that we had made first. That is just like a teardrop shape. This is the first one. And then to pull it, and you could just fix it and edit it with your hand. And then to insert the other part, you could use your round nose pliers to pull it, but do that very gentle. You could also extract the stone and make some additions on this frame with your tool, and then to put it again into that frame, and then bend the extra part of every tail all around the stone and wrap it at the back side of the stone. Then this is the place we are going to make two other bends at the top of this stone to prevent the stone from falling at that point. So I'm going to make two rounded parts with my fingers, just as symmetrical as possible. And then we are going to insert the extra part of every tail at the back of the stone into the previous wires to make a very good tie to fasten it up. If that is difficult for you, you could just remain it as it is and just make two little loops with your round nose pliers at the end of every tail. And then again, you could make some refinements. Just don't forget to push the two little loops at the end. And that's almost done. That's so easy while you're wrapping wire jewelry. Isn't it beautiful? What do you think? Now, this is the time to add a bail to this pendant to be ready for inserting the cord or a chain onto that bail. I'm going to use this type of wire bail, and I'm going to tell you how to make one. It's attached with a jump ring, and if you don't remember how to make one, just go to this video. Pick up your 0.8 wire, and with your round nose pliers, just make a very little loop. And then make another one in front of that first loop, just vice versa, and a little bigger, just like an infinity shape. Then insert the round nose pliers and make another one, another loop that is attached to the first one. Insert it again and then wrap the wire all around to fasten it up and cut the wire out. Just don't forget to squeeze the extra part of the wire that is sharp and to put it onto your work so that there wouldn't be any sharp edges left. You could do that with your chain nose pliers and to squeeze it. Then with your nail, just make a distance between the two attached loops, just like this, and then make it more with your tool. That is the bail that I'm using to insert into the jump ring and then to attach it at the above of my wire frame and then close it. And that's ready, our very beautiful but very simple wire wrapped pendant. Don't forget to leave comments for me and give me the energy. Love you so much. Take care and bye-bye.